What's up, guys? What's up? Okay, today we're going to be working on there we go. We're going to be working on programming this new version of mainframe, new and improved mainframe, and I don't know exactly what the approach will be because this is a multiplayer and complicated game, so it's a double whammy. But we're going to see what we can do tonight. First things first, I'm going to fix up this facade a tiny bit here. What do I think about Rojo? No, I don't think I'll face cam tonight, but we'll see. I don't really want to call this core. I feel like it sounds better mainframe. Tricky thing here is that we are running out of space to actually type it. Let's see how much longer I can make this. This might look pretty unnatural, so we'll see what this looks like. What do I think about Rojo? Forgot to answer that. I have never used it, but I know some people swear by that thing. And myself, I think I'm gonna stick with the Roblox code editor because they're just gonna keep improving it, to be honest. And at some point, I don't think there will be a need for external tools, but that's just my opinion. I know that's a hot topic with some people, so. What is this plugin called? This is Resize Align. Oh my goodness, I think I just literally... oh my god, I really did. What I just did was entirely pointless, guys. That was really smart. Attempt to. I literally put a lot of time into the building of the machines because I could rush this process and just throw stuff together, but I don't think it ever comes out very nicely when you do that. Alright, attempt 2. I don't know what the math is for this, but I love these plugins. They're very, very helpful. Yeah, honestly, people have jokingly said this would like get nominated for a Bloxy. I don't think it actually would, but I need to get this game out, and I'm really working hard to try and knuckle down on the features that it needs. Okay, I can get rid of these signs now. And we're gonna do this. Might I have messed this up? Potentially. There we go. Perfect. Okay. On that grind set. I wish Arc had on 3 soon. There's still a lot to do, but I've committed to working several hours every day on this. So okay, then I'm gonna flip the color on these ones, these side ones real quick, and we'll go ahead and get started here with our programming. Nine 137 207. Okay, I can remember that. 9 137 207. Sweet. This looks pretty slick. Onwards to something else we need to add for this to actually work, and that is how much the tickets are these different levels are going to pay out. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Are you kidding me right now? That's totally not cool. Why? Why? Okay, can I rotate you? Maybe I can rotate you. Do this. Haha. Okay. So the size needs to be well, let's see, what's the size of this? 7.6, so 1 of 7.6 would be 0.132. Oh, this thing's just gonna freak out, isn't it? Oh, goodness. Okay, let's see if we can maybe find an alternate approach to this. I feel like that looks quite terrible. I haven't been able to work. Yeah, I haven't really done too much work the past few days because I did a bunch of stuff with college and setting up portfolios and RDC fun. RDC was incredible. Oh, this is still sideways, isn't it? This is not good. The squares look so terrible. So here's what I'm going to do here, is I'm going to duplicate all of these, turn them into blocks, make them transparent and smooth. I'm going to put them in a special group. Let's say lights, and this is going to be visuals, and then this is going to be pivots. How long would it say to make? You mean like an arcade machine or like an entire Roblox game? For how long does it take to make a game? Okay, so all of these are squares. And then I'm going to put surface GUI reference into one of them and see what exactly we need to do to fix how this is appearing. F3X will come in handy here since we could just locally change. There we go. And then we're going to resize down so we match up. Doesn't look like Roblox handled that perfectly. And then we will change these to match up. For some reason these didn't line up with the rest of them. A simple project or something. Well, it's really going to depend on what that project is. I know Arcade Island 3, I've been working on it for 9 months. And it's a very content-driven game, but I know there's games that I could pump out in a month. Something like an obby or maybe a little demo or a showcase or something like that. So it's really going to depend on the project you're trying to undertake. And it's something when you look at when you're looking at your game ideas is what kind of project am I really willing to undertake right now? Start small and work your way up is definitely a good word of advice I like to give to people. Okay, and now we're gonna hope this looks natural. I don't know if it will. I sure as heck hope it does. Because if it doesn't, that is not good. I have to do some more editing before we actually get to programming. type of events am I thinking of doing? I want to do something every month. I'm thinking maybe this month I'll do something social. I haven't really decided what my plans are for this month yet. Might be able to host something this weekend actually if I actually get some action behind it. So we'll see. Oh. Shoot. That looks kind of bad. I don't think a player will ever notice that, so I think we're just gonna go with it. Okay, we've got that, so now I'm just gonna copy these on all sides. Back. I can't do that. Nope, I messed up again. Oh my goodness. Right and the left. Oh, that's internally bothering me. Shoot. Alright, let's try this. This won't take long. It's take like 5 minutes to fix. We've got to fix this because it looks really bad. Alright, so here's how I'm going to do this. We're going to have to write some code to make some groups for us. how did I do this before? Oh, I have to do multiple parts, don't I? Yep. Okay, so we're gonna do this. That's my day today. My day was pretty good. Just kind of boring, because it's high school. There's not really much to do, except just wait for school to be over, so... You know, it is what it is. Alright, so we're going to write some code here to make this do some cool stuff. So we're going to say target model workspace service not a thing anymore. I go to school, I do go to school in person, and they don't let me leave early, despite the fact that I have all of my credits cleared except for 3 classes. So yeah, it's tough. I'm looking forward to college, and really taking a dive into things I'm interested in. Workspace service and levels tickets. Index child change target model group equals set new. I'm gonna make a model here. Can I teach you how to code? I don't do personal coding with people, but at some point, if I ever get around to it, I do want to make tutorials on this channel. But it's something that I don't currently have time for, fortunately. There are only 24 hours in a day, and I lose most of them to school. Wrong with this table expected. Oh, hold on. That is a very common error right there. Oh, hold on, another error. Okay, what did I just do with that script? I'm making Arcade Island right now, Arcade Island 3. Where are the parts? Where did all these go? What? Oh my goodness. Okay, what is happening? Oh, studio's losing its mind. try this again. I've messed this up. All right, there we go. I really like CK Studio's program. I think it goes over all the basics really well. And then you can kind of, once you get an understanding of how the API works, you can kind of build up your skills slowly over time, getting to more and more challenging concepts. Will the new break the lock be hard? The new break the lock is actually, I really like it because it's it goes around the entire thing. It's not all janky. Like the rest of our skill-based games, it will adjust based on how the server performs, and then eventually it'll get to a point where it doesn't get any more difficult. But it will take into account the skill level of the server to make it as fair and evenly matched, and payouts balanced as much as possible like the rest of the games. Would have 3 spaces in the 10 flame. I'm not sure what you mean by that, Mario, because I'm just not sure what you mean, because I haven't heard of that feature before. Yeah, it'll be smooth, yes. Obviously, you'll still have about 1/10 of a second of latency, depending on your client. But it'll be much, much smoother for sure. Yeah, that's definitely why I'm making a new one, Sean. It's a fan favorite, and I think it has a lot of room for improvement, so it's on the mandatory games list for new games. How long do you have to stay awake just to finish the game? What do you mean by that? Ever tried modeling in Blender? I have Blender installed on my computer. That's about it. I would like to take a stab at it someday, but time just doesn't permit for that right now. It's all about getting Arcade 3 out as soon as possible. I want to get into the fun stuff. I want to get into the hype and the test and the whatever we do for early access if we do it, all that fun stuff. I think that's what I got my mindset going towards right now. What green is this? This is sea green. Yeah, if I need help, I'll be sure to ask. How many monitors do I have? I have 3 monitors. I have 2 portrait monitors and 1 landscape monitor in the center. Arcade 3 is in fact going to be the best version yet. It looks absolutely stunning if you so choose to have your graphics this high. It's much better UX. It's got a beautiful soundtrack. It's going to have lots of exciting games with updates and an amazing prize system that is interactive and fresh and engaging rather than just the same old prizes. It's just such a better game, and I'm really excited to see where it's able to go. And honestly, I could have moved on to so many other projects by now, but this is for you guys, so. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, it's coming soon. New features, let's go. Thank you for subscribing, I appreciate it. Are you freaking kidding me? Jeez. Just can't get this right tonight. I'm wasting time. This is annoying. Let's see. Actually, let's try this. Material flip like it? It does. Material flip does like it. This plugin comes in handy again. Math is awesome when it does good things for you. Look at that. Oh, you came from the crew? So you saw the crew come, you had to play immediately? Dude, the crew, that's coming up almost on a year to date. October 22nd, which will be Friday, will be, we'll have to celebrate somehow. That's when it'll all be taken off. Right, where's the rotation menu? Oh, why is there not a select parents? Roblox, why does this still not exist? So it's tweaking out. Okay. And let's see, that's gonna go front is that way, so we're gonna want to flip all of these over. A more interesting way to dodge puddles in an acid hallway. Because I said I was going to program tonight and we're still fixing the actual setup here. But this is a complicated game, so this is kind of to be expected. A more interesting way to do acid puddles. You could have them fall, so you could have like a, maybe somehow something warn the player that something is going to be falling. You could have them spill randomly and spread if you want to do something with size tweening and movement. Those are two possibilities that I can think of. What the heck? Okay, after a painstakingly difficult process, there's too many errors there by my own self in regards to efficiency. We do have these laid out. So the next thing we're going to need to do is we'll need to define how many tickets these are worth. Archidon 3 going to be a next year thing. I do not have any release date information for Archidon 3 at this time. That's not something that will be shared until the game is in a very thorough beta state. Yeah, Sean, the text is liking to be sideways. Yeah, I really didn't plan this out very well, so... And then I tried to take a shortcut cheater way, and it looked really ugly, so I was like, you know, maybe I should just fix that. Okay, mainframe. And next thing we're going to do here is set up our master script. First thing we're going to need is our services, but we don't know what services those are right now. We'll just say works. No, we don't need that right now. I'm going to define our home. Also need to make a folder here with all of our values. Alright, thanks for coming in, guys. I'll see you around. We'll add some values of who is currently playing. Whoops. I don't know why we can't remap the rename key. Alright, Noah, sounds good. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we'll set up our values, player values. Needs functions for the different things we need to do here. So let's outline this first before we get started. We need a function for level up. We need a function for level down. We need we're probably gonna need a our actions here. We'll need another script that will act as our timer master. We'll need a function for reset our default level. Trying to beat games by Lukia. There may be a couple, but I'd like to begin working maybe on collaborations with him instead of just using the models, and kind of slowly rolling out to having it be all of Arcade Island's content. That will take some time, but that's definitely a goal I have. But that isn't to say I wouldn't like his touch and his expertise to be in the game. He has a lot of technology that's very valuable, and things that I don't have the skills to do. So, alright, so we need a function for leveling up, we need a function for leveling down, we need a function for the default level, we probably need a function for launching coins. Need to make some listeners for buttons. We'll have to also make how can we approach this? Trying to think of the best way we could force a timeout here. Because the tricky thing about this game is you have multiple people playing at once. At all different times. It's kind of just to walk up and do your own thing. What's up, Funky? So we could do... We'll have something in this timer here that we'll handle that with. Say function to-do list here. Timer countdown for game abandons. And then we will also do a tickets. See what Stack 3D looks like? Yep. This is Stack 3D right here. I think it looks incredibly slick. It's one of my favorite games. Looks very, very nice. Okay, timer countdown for game abandons. We need listeners for our buttons. We need to pay out a jackpot. It does look a lot different. Player 4 timer. Then we need a number value for timer reset. Player timer reset. Say jackpot default. wonder what Archidon 7 will look like. I don't expect there to be an Archidon 7. This is the final game in the series because it's reached a point where it's easy for me to work on and modify. Okay, so we've got our values here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill these out with Alright, cool. Next thing we're gonna have to do here is actually write some code. So we will make some listeners for our buttons first things off. We'll make this spin. We will launch the coin. You'll have to read if the coin has or has not hit. Re-enable the button. Reset the timer. And go from there. How do I organize scripts? I use modules for like, I just started really working in modules for the back end and core stuff. I'm not a big fan of using modules for my machines because I just think it adds a little extra level of complexity where it isn't needed. But I think organization is kind of a personal thing you just learn over time. I also read up on a GitHub thing about Roblox organization, so alright, I'm gonna grab some water real quick, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna make a listener for our buttons here. The stations. Very picky about how I name things. This will be, I'll put this as high in the hierarchy as possible so it doesn't get in the way. New sounds, I don't think there's new sounds. I think there are the same sounds, except for the music when you win. Would you guys be interested in having proximity prompts instead of click detectors? Would that be better UX? For the machines. I mean, it would be a big undertaking to fix some of the old stuff, but it's definitely possible. I'm gonna put that into the holds real quick. I'm not really sure. I'd have to try it on like maybe this one first or like the wheel first and see how exactly it performs. It's something we could try in QA for sure once the game's actually finished. I think something that might be tricky though is some situations may not allow for it because of issues that could arise with the... wait a second. I don't know if you can actually make that work, now that I think about it. because proximity prompts show up for every player. I don't think there's a way to hide them from every player. Yeah, there's no argument for that. So I could put in a feature request, I guess, but it probably doesn't really have a very strong use case. And maybe we could make them appear and disappear when they become and don't become clickable. So that's something we'll have to look at when the game's in beta, but not something we're going to look at right now. So we're going to function button press. We'll make a function for that. I don't want pop the lock sounds because I don't want to use copyright or assets that we do not own in the game. But I do appreciate it. Okay, so this is going to be if player.name equals the button name. Yeah, the music is copyrighted probably because it's legally protected, and that's not something you want to mess with. Alright, so that's going to get a number of our station, which we can use to compare and make sure the player clicking the button is actually the player we want to be allowed to click the button. So I don't care to check it out because I don't want to. I'm not a supporter of work that is not within copyright law. How did I do this last time? Player. Just sneaky way around this. All right. So if the player matches, we're also going to want to map. We're also going to need to check if I don't remember how to do extra line statements here. There we go. How do I format this? What is it doing? Oh, there it goes. What is it doing? Why are you doing that? Hold on, I need to check something on GitHub real quick. I think those are the only two things we'll need to check, because we can check multiple things exclusively by checking if the material is neon. You can check the timers, the credits, and the cooldown. Maybe we'll add a setting in here real quick. Player button cooldown. Set this probably to about 1/10 of a second. If the button has been pressed, it matches the player. We're out of the cooldown. It's ready to go. Then in that case, we will launch a coin. Maybe we'll need to pass on the station number and the player when we launch the coin. Yo, what's up? What's up? I haven't seen you for a bit. How's Risky Ropes? Station number. So now we need to approach the challenge of this actually doing something. So first things first, we need to weld our play surface together, which is pretty easy. We just use a nice pre-installed module that we have. I think hinges can touch each other, I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. No worries, Noah. I don't really check for who comes and who doesn't. I just like to share my work sometimes when I work. It's my keyboard playing games. No, I'm typing stuff on my keyboard. I don't know how I would be gaming and coding at the same time. That would be pretty impressive. Okay, well, I'm not sure how I would be typing and playing games at the same time, but alright. One thing that might be a little bit tricky about this is actually naming these buttons. Okay, I think we can just ungroup these now. Perfect. You think I'd play a game of code with 2 keyboards? Dude, I would be like a mastermind if I could do that. And talk to you guys all at the same time. I would be like the world's greatest gamer and programmer. Okay, how did I have a hinge? Okay, so we do this. So we're gonna say that. To do some sneaky stuff with collisions here to make this work. You failed your English thing. Oh no, it's not good. Might have to see if you can talk to somebody about the teacher if half the class failed, because that's generally pretty unusual. It would look so shiny. Yeah, I know. If I turn on surface appearance, it actually will look. There's a lot of surface appearance. Okay, there it is. Folder. Surface appearance is extremely shiny. It's like RTX. I have no idea how RTX works, so fair disclaimer. Can you put textures on top of surface appearance? I don't know, it won't work. Or could I do this and somehow match it with the surface appearance? I love playing with textures, it's really fun. Nope, that doesn't really work. I don't really know what I'm doing with surface appearance. But it's cool stuff to play with. Anyways. Back to this. Going to insert in a sort of a rostrum in the game. No, I'm not a big fan of adding bathrooms just because people generally are not very appropriate with those kinds of features. of hell bangers. Okay, so now we need a hinge. And our motor is right here. Those do. I believe we want that to be like, I don't know, 10. We'll see if this spins off of the earth here. What plugin is that? What did I just use? That's not a plugin. No, that's a studio feature. This is anchored already. All right, let's see if this works. I have a feeling there's probably some collisions going on here. I couldn't make anything more under open source. Oh! Well, something's spinning, but it's not exactly what we're shooting for. And that is really loud music. That is really loud music. Sorry, guys. Why is that so loud? That is not cool. I'm gonna mute the audio. Yeah, it's really loud because I need to write some code to like mute the audio for me when I test in Studio, because it's what happens is it's trying to run the localized client scripts for the sound handler on the but there is no client. It's just me testing from the server, if that makes any sense at all. And the result is a fiery mess of terrible audio everywhere because it's all using max settings. When did Roblox update the icons? This is not a Roblox update. This is actually icons that are community made, and then I use the mod manager to install them. So I appear to have done this backwards. I have a feeling I might do that. Let's fix this real quick. That's not right either. What's up, Heavenly? Yeah, these icons look really, really good. I think Roblox said they're going to improve the how text looks too. I think they're going to make text more clear. I was talking to a software engineer who works on Team Create, and he had a lot of cool stuff that he mentioned. Why is this not spinning? Okay, now it's spinning. Sound everywhere! When will the game be done? I don't have any information on release dates right now, unfortunately. But as soon as I can, because I'd really like to get the game out as soon as possible, but it could be quite a while still. So it does look like we're having some contact issues here with the rotator. Just taps the edge. Oh, that taps the edge quite a bit. Okay. How are we gonna do this? I think triangles actually have part collisions correctly. Yeah, they do. So I'm not sure what it doesn't like about this. Holy smokes, that's flying. That thing is moving. Alright, I don't think it needs to be going that quickly. Let's just see if it'll go to INF. There it goes. Whoa, the lights look so cool on that. Oh my goodness. Make the game quite impossible. So just keep bumping it up and see what happens here. How about that? That's kind of cool, actually. It's creating an optical illusion. That would actually be a really fun project. You guys know those spinners that like create an optical illusion with the lights? You could do that on Roblox, I guess. 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. Oh, dude, that thing is just freaking hauling. We're having more fun playing with hinges. It's not even like, you can't even see how fast it's moving. It's moving so quickly. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Is it ever gonna slow down? I think it's slowing down, maybe? I don't think we'd want to play on this is the bottom line, but we've got the hinge working and we know how to edit it, so that's good. Oh, now it stopped. So the next thing we're going to need to do is figure out how exactly we want to approach the coin rolling down the platform and then potentially into the socket here. So if we run a quick test here, and we set this to, I'm gonna actually set this to 0. Actually, no, we're not gonna set it to 0. We're just gonna disable it. Let's unanchor this. Look at that, it just slides right in. Was that too easy or what? What's up, Billy? This thing called? Oh, it's mainframe. I've got to edit that code seriously. Please be quiet. Why is the behavior like that? That is annoying. Okay, then what if we make this move? Okay, I'm trying to figure out if this is even possible at the moment here. Start timing here. Oh, almost. Okay, let's slow this down some more then. We might have to do some tweaking with some stuff here. Okay, this is not rigged, this is skill. You're watching me fail. Oh. Hey! This is quite difficult. What if we reduce the size of the coin a bit here? Say 0.1 instead. That makes things quite a bit easier. The next challenge will be figuring out how to read if a coin has been hit. Proceeds to miss. Yeah. I mean, this is a tough game, though. This will be something that we have to test quite a bit, probably, to find the right balance. Alright, Roblox gonna hop in the voice chat and say hi, guys. Hi, Roblox.
Hello.
Someone's gonna ruin the physics. No, because you can use network owner. Network owner prevents them from grabbing physics information.
I'm pretty sure network owner. I worked on a game, right? You know the game said that you should not say what it's about. Like, you know the physics, right? That's set network owner as well, but like the client changes the velocity and like changes for the server as well. If like the network owner does the thing. Yeah.
It is what it is.
I don't know, explain it.
Yeah, get in here, Billy. Hop in lounge and I'll move you up.
Oh yeah, have you seen the new event that just got released today?
You fool, I can already go here.
Oh yeah, Billy, you have permissions, don't you, Billy?
I do.
Yeah. Chat, if their voices are too loud, just let me know and I can turn down their volume.
No, say nothing. Ruin everything.
Yeah, say nothing.
Oh, I forgot I haven't turned you down. Okay, we're fine.
Hey, can we get a music bot? Put copyright music.
Ruin the entire stream.
You know, I've probably already been striked from APM Music because I accidentally turned on all that audio when I booted the game.
Oh no.
Oh, professional right here.
Music striking is so freaking broken. Like,
oh, it is. No
like,
doubt.
You played my song for 3 seconds. Your video is mine now.
You played my song for 0.023 nanoseconds? Give me that money.
I love it too when like AI like accidentally detects like raindrops as copyright or something.
Oh, I know.
Sir, you just hummed my music. You're gonna copyright strike.
I'm sorry, did you think about my music?
I'm sorry, did you just
Grass.
breathe? I breathe oxygen in my music.
Did you take a breath? I took a breath in my song. Give me money.
I love the rap songs where you can hear them like go after they
Like every half second. It's great.
Okay. Anyways,
Yeah, so like there's a chance that the client can exploit the physics.
yeah, I think it's what it is at this point. I'm pretty sure this should work because I've done this before and we haven't had any issues. So.
So have you seen the new event that got released today?
The Halloween thing?
No, like the concert. It got released
the
like
World
an hour
Party
ago. The Halloween, not the Halloween, the concert, like the Las Vegas concert. Thing.
Yeah, I heard about that on Twitter.
It got released right now. Like the event didn't start yet.
Oh, it just came out?
Like the concert didn't start yet.
Yeah.
It's like the game's released. You can play it. It's cool.
Galaxy glasses. I also haven't tried it. Yo, I can get a smiley face
Oh my
mask?
gosh,
Oh, that's
there's so
crazy.
much dislikes on it. 710 to 229.
Oh no.
Is it bad?
At least it's not
That's
Melon
good.
Dev. It's not Melon Dev that made it though.
Oh, is it not? Oh, that's good.
It's not Melon Dev. It's Wonderworks. That's the same people. I think it's
Wonderworks made it?
Yeah, Wonderworks.
Whoa! Good for Wonderworks, bro.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a
you're
big
right.
deal.
That
I
like to dislike is terrible.
I look at the trailer. I like at the end. I literally immediately recognize when they're doing the dance. I recognize the Fortnite emote. Oh, my crush.
Man, I'm glad I watched the Insomniac World Party release trailer, and in the recommended is the live stream I'm currently watching. That is so cool. Oh, my personal vehicle?
It's because you subscribe to me and you watch my streams a lot. I wanna I wanna become the entrepreneur of Roblox this next year. I've talked about it, and that was kind of the initial plan. But Arcade Island has been taking so long. Roblocky, do you know if there is a way to make proximity prompts only show up on the client?
I think he died. Oh man, it's really pretty. I'll give him that. But oh my god, is it? As soon as I started up, it lagged my computer. That is the first time a Roblox game has lagged my computer. That is impressive.
Arcade Island?
No, in some the new event.
Oh.
Oh, there's so much.
Is the memory really high?
Yeah.
You see, the cool thing about Arcade Islands is like, I'm trying to memory manage and memory budget this game, so like it's actually runnable on.
Oh yeah, no, it really is. It's
weird.
a lot better. The memory management in this game must be terrible, because it is.
Check your performance stats. Oh, Roblocky did die.
I knew it.
If it's over 1,000, then that's a red flag.
Oh, yeah, memory's over 1,000 right now.
That's quite high. It's quite the amount
That
of
is,
objects to be loading in.
It's 1,066 right now. That is not really good.
I think Arcade Island 3 runs at like 700 to 800. I'm trying to get it sub 700.
Yeah, my game runs. Yeah, it runs completely fine off that.
It does fluctuate and go up with more sounds as they load in, but it's not really too bad.
Oh, it's peaking at like 1,200 right now. Oh god.
I'll have to check it out in a bit. Probably wrap up the stream soon, and then I can check. I'll wrap up the stream with checking that out, and then I'll probably code by myself for about an hour.
That's fair. Apparently the shadow map is 284 right now. Just alone. Oh, what?
Shadow. Wait, they're running shadow map lighting, and it's 284 megabytes.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's the biggest thing on here. Closest thing is Target with a 104 or 108. Sorry. Weird. Nothing else comes close.
I want to compare that to. Let me see what Arcanine 3 runs on Shadow. Hey, Smarties!
Yeah,
Smarties, how long have you been lurking in here, bro?
I can check that out real quick if you want. That's 2, not 3. Where's 3? Oh my god. No, that's 2. Oh. Roblox, come on, you can load my friends, come on.
You have 7 billion Smarties, so I can be smart.
Yeah.
Sure, man. Just ask. I think you got the right guy in the chat if you want to ask that. The concert, Rob Lucky says the concert game is so laggy it crashed Discord.
Oh no.
That is a bit concerning, I will say.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite laggy. It's not terribly laggy for me, but it's still quite laggy.
They did a talk at RDC about making games look visually appealing, but also performance, making sure it's performance. And it's like so hard to like decide what to add and what not to add, and how to keep your art style.
There it is. God, that took me so long to find. Oh, that's embarrassing.
Let's see, I'm running on future lighting. You said shadow map?
Oh, hello. Yeah. Shadow map was like 280. Oh yeah, you're.
Oh, I'm 284 as well.
Yeah.
I know there's something in here that takes up quite a bit from future.
I forgot how glossy my hair is.
I love that.
Yeah, no, but it's like 755 for total right now, and that's a lot better. Hello.
I remember when I had a memory leak from future lighting.
Oh my god, I remember that.
I thought it was something wrong with the game. So I was like, oh my god, like, this is gonna be fun. A game that's entirely based off scripts.
Man, I'm annoyed right now at Roblox. Because for whatever reason... Uh-oh, I can't exit this. Oh, that's not good. For whatever reason, they won't let me... Oh, yeah, okay, cool. They won't let me buy any Robux. I don't know why.
That's odd.
I think I have to go to my bank and like verify or something like that. I gotta call my bank or something like that. But yeah, no, they just won't let me. They never warned me or anything. I just stopped. That's annoying as hell. Oh. Well, hang on. Let me reload because I opened the shop and that was a mistake. Oh yeah, you might want to move Rob Blocky back.
Oh, yeah, that's important.
He's down the ledge. I was just reading chat for a second and I saw that. I'm like,
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Yeah,
Smarties, do you think you can record
impression.
Arcadown 3 in the video? I don't want to. I'm kind of asking you on the spot here, but it would be very epic. The vibe of this place is just amazing.
I did like the idea of like a randomized
There was
arcade
mixed
spots.
opinions on that. Yeah.
Yeah, there
RNG
was.
machines?
No, random positions, random different layouts that the arcade can have.
Well, the
Randomized layout?
Yeah.
I think I wouldn't like that. Like, you know, you go to arcade, you like.
oh yeah,
first
that's
time's
fair.
like maze, and the second time, you know, you recognize everything. Actually, no. Actually, when I went to Dam Buster's first time, you know, it was different. Now, second
I
time
think
go to,
occasional
it's like a year
changes
after.
would be nice.
Yeah,
but
occasional.
nothing, nothing that's like different every single time you
Nothing
play.
that's like, you know, too big of a change.
Another
Yeah, something
thing I'd
that's-
like to do is set up a module
Because,
for
like,
paying out
for-
tickets
like,
and
so
do
the
that.
arcade's like-
for-
When I went to Dam
Doubles.
Buster's, right? Like, you know, the last time I went there, it was like, you know, it was like they changed it a little bit, but not too much. Like the machines got like, you know, switched in and out, kind of
Mhm.
thing.
Well, it's a
So,
lot
you
of
know,
work for them to
change.
move stuff around too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they don't
Yeah,
change it often.
I think the most mixed opinion you have right now is like an 11 to 10, which is random machines having temporary double ticket payouts.
Oh yeah, Blake, you asked me about, you know, the proximity prompts, client side.
Yeah.
What you can do, right? You can just parent proximity prompts up to the client, no, on the client side, and like use remote events or remote functions what you want.
Oh god, remotes.
like, you know, Yeah, when they fired the proximity prompt, it fires a remote to the server.
But that
Yeah.
could cause.
Or actually, easier
Unbelievable
solution,
issues.
what you could do, right, is you could parent it in the server, like for like all the other clients, who says that one client has it disabled and then one client has it enabled. So like only that person could use it, I guess.
I see what you're saying here. You could set up a module to do that.
Yeah. Okay, well, like it starts up disabled for
Okay,
the
I'm
server.
gonna write that down. But it's definitely gonna get backlogged because it's not necessary for release. But I feel like it would probably be a big help to the UX to try and rely more on prompts versus the mouse clicking. It would also help with mobile UX.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've looked at like the wall near the ceiling wall, and I just saw your avatar staring at me, and it was terrifying.
Oh yeah, a bit of a random question is to talk about remote events. Has like anyone ever like, you know, like made an exploit on your like your game or something? Like there's something ever like exploited? Cause like, you know, for some
Thank
reason
you,
people exploit
Smarties.
copyright artists. I can't believe that.
Alright, Trello, I'm putting this into the Trello right now so I don't forget. Module script. Create a module script that parents a... Hold on, is there like a setting to hide proximity prompts?
Dot enabled.
Okay, so we'll say create a module script that sets dot enabled true for server and dot enabled false for all clients for all
But it should
other
be like-
clients.
Yeah, it should be like
That
the
are
opposite way
not
around. Like
currently
the server's false and like the client's true, and one has more easier.
but wouldn't that cause it to not be registered by the server?
I think it still registers. I think. I gotta test that out. I think it does though.
Okay,
Might
I'd
not,
have to
but, like,
I'd
I
have to
think it
check that. I don't think it will because the server won't recognize it because it's not enabled on the server. But I'll try it.
I tried joining Arcade Island dev build and it's not authorized. It's so poggers.
I can authorize you. Do you want to
You
be
should authorize
authorized?
me.
See, I'm just cooler.
I said I would authorize my entire friends list in a few weeks. Yeah, Sean, if we might do some sort of early access thing. I haven't really decided exactly what that will be yet. I'm currently looking at the logistics of making a game pass where the player basically agrees that once they transfer over to Arcade Island 3, they cannot go back. So they would buy the game pass, transfer over.
Oh.
Wait,
Basically,
so
so what would happen is you would join Arcade Island 2, and then it would recognize, hey, this player owns the game pass. Now we're going to teleport them to a place within the universe to Arcade Island 3.
But
Wow.
yeah, but I have a negative about this. Like, what if like you play Arcade Island with your friends, right? And, like you bought the Game Pass. Now you can't play with your friends on Arcade Island.
Yeah, that's
One,
the
yeah.
tricky part. That's the tricky
thing.
part.
You should make it like an
I
option.
feel, yeah, I was gonna say it should be an option.
Like a
But if
If you
you-
prompt.
load in
but
and it
here's-
says, "Do you want to go to Arcade Island 3?"
Okay, so here's the problem with that. But I mean, I guess there could be a way around this. But the problem is with that is the data is so significantly different between Arcade Island 2 and 3 that
Oh, yeah.
yeah. So like once you play Arcade Island 3, it deletes a ton of your it deletes your entire inventory and processes a bunch of refunds and stuff like that. So
What if like the player, right? If once you agree to go there, right? You can still play Arcade Island 2, but like it won't load your data on Arcade Island.
you just get
2
cleared,
1.
you just get wiped
You
every
just get
time.
clear data. You just get no data on Arcade Island 2 and 1. But like you
I'll
get
have to
actual data on
pull-
Arcade Island 3.
Yeah, I'll have to poll
get-
people.
Yeah,
and see
so
what
you can
they-
actually still play Arcade 2.
Yeah. But I think that would be a cool way to do it if it's logistically possible. And then when Arcade Island 3 is ready to roll out, I just set the default place to Arcade Island 3.
Yeah.
And then I also really loved, I don't know if you saw, I don't know if they've posted them yet, but they did a live ops event. Jailbreak did talk about live ops at RDC.
Oh.
And Jailbreak did the coolest freaking live ops where they shut down all the servers and redid the entire map. But the shutdown was like soft or something. I don't know exactly how they did it, but there was no interruptions. And the entire map loaded in. Brand new.
Huh.
Wow. Probably do like, you know, like a, I don't know, like a live, like a messaging service thing or something, where like, you know, you just toggle out and flip and like, you know, such all the servers and changes it. I don't know.
Oh, you could use tick. But I'm saying, I don't know
Yeah.
how they loaded in an entire freaking map. Like, I don't understand. I could see if I could get into contact with one of them. That would be difficult.
Probably
but-
like, you know, they'd remove workspace and they move just, they didn't move the server storage thing to workspace.
No, they said they shut down the servers, but they somehow did it in a way
Oh,
that was not
soft shutdown
intrusive.
then. They used soft shutdown. But what? I
Yeah.
never saw it. Like, wait, what was it like? I never.
Soft shutdown exists, but
No,
the
I
only
mean,
thing
like, what a Steam did, like this stuff. What do you do?
you just insert it and it handles it automatically.
Oh, okay.
But the thing that I'm concerned about is if I use soft shutdown, is I'll need to test this with at least. Well, we'll have to have a lot of testers if we do that because.
Okay.
Because I'm concerned that if there was a data issue with high
Oh, yeah.
traffic.
I know about this. Yeah. Wait, what data storage is it? You like a module or like
Profile
like you just
service.
made it?
So I'm pretty
Profile
confident.
service. Yeah, that fixes it.
I'm pretty
Profile
confident that
service.
profile service would be able to process
Yeah.
everything within 30 seconds.
What you need to do, like, make sure you when you're using profile service, make sure you use listen to hop ready, and then teleport them. Once that gets fired, you can teleport there.
Oh, I
Like,
just
if it
am
gets fired,
using
it-
I'm using Glorious's pre-made script, so I think it does all that already. I could send it to you.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. It used to be an issue until I reported it. Like we're like it teleports you too fast, and like it's still locked. So like it just kicks you out because the data's still loaded. Yeah, but then they fixed that with listen hop ready. AKA when the data is fully saved, then it will teleport.
All right, guys. Yeah, Smarties. I think you should be authorized. You should be able to join. I'm gonna authorize Roblox right now.
Okay, I'm joining. I'll let you know if it crashes my Discord.
It's
You're
a
not
lot
even
better than
Roblox.
that.
You're not even in my group. I can authorize
Just me in your
Whoa,
group.
oh my.
Hey, no one told me. No one told me.
He made a group, by the way.
Oh, okay, I'll join it.
What's up, Jaden? All right.
Can I play some music with the bot? That's not
No,
copyrighted. That's not copyrighted.
no. I'm currently playing music on stream already.
Can I
Really
play some
didn't
Kevin
notice that.
McCloy?
You can mute the bot.
Smarty says, "Can you tell Roblocky the game, the drawing thing, matchy is very cool."
That's very cool.
Roblocky, you in my group now?
Can you link it?
No.
Yeah,
Oh, I
my Roblox like being glitchy.
Is your computer like bad?
Yeah, it's bad, but it's because Firefox is glitched. So extension.
You spent so much money on Roblox games, you could have bought yourself a new computer by now.
What?
Oh.
You're not. Like, you're not even in your own official Beast Ninja Warrior Games group anymore? Oh my god.
I left. I left.
I'm still in it.
Oh my
I've
gosh.
never left.
No
I've
way.
never left.
Oh, it says Beast. Oh, you got 20,020 members. 2020 members.
What?
0.
Yo!
You get 20k members. You never say anything.
Actually, we were planning on saying something. We were just waiting for the update to finish rolling out.
How was RDC?
Life-changing, if I'm being honest.
Oh wait, what? Wait, what like after like like outside stuff you did? Like stuff outside RDC with devs.
What else did you say, like, what else we did outside RDC?
Yeah, outside.
We went to Dave and Buster's, we went to, we went to a cruise, yeah, I did meet username, yeah.
I'm in the group, by the way.
Yeah, I have
Oh,
some
never mind,
pictures from
you
the
in the
cruise.
group.
Oh, you need to send me
Was
them.
it the yacht? Was it the yacht?
Yeah,
Oh, let me
yeah, I
leave
put
the
it in
group.
lounge.
Hell yeah. Apparently, the group hit 20k 2 days ago. It hit it on October 18th. At, we'll say, about 7. Because if you look on the wall, you can see Blocks 06. Was celebrating it. Everyone, like a few
We
people
went
on
to
the wall was celebrating
Japantown.
20K. Ooh.
That was cool.
Nice. I'm in the group now, by the way.
where else did we go? We went to oh, let me rank you, Roblocky.
Ow! Ow! No, I swear I'm not trying to get in the way of the game. I just want to push this.
Oh, by the way, that'll be
Hi.
better soon.
Okay, good.
I have a notification
Well, that
bar
is fair.
module set up.
It was fair. I was kind of inside of it, but I just wanted this.
Bro, I'm excited for the RDC updates. I'm not that. I'm not even say RDC updates. I meant the Roblox updates that got announced for RDC. That's what I meant.
I gotta change the chat font to Fredoka.
Oh, okay. Oh, I like how it shows the server now on top, right?
Oh, I didn't notice that Fastmaster was in your group.
Yeah, he's
Damn.
a gamer.
Arcade Island uses dynamic graphics.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm glad. I'm
That
glad you have
sounds really
four.
advanced.
I'm glad you have 4 roles, that don't have anyone in it. You have helper, game night host, private tester,
You know what
trial mod. They
sucks
have no
too?
one
Is
in it.
because like I have a feeling that whatever decisions we make deciding hierarchy when we start to roll out Arcade 3, I have a feeling we're gonna have to change one of those, and I will have to change every single bind in the server, in the Discord
Oh,
server.
how do you get the subscriber bonus?
You subscribe to me on YouTube and then input your channel ID and the press the little YouTube icon on the bottom left.
Okay.
Ah,
Okay. That's
I
nice.
see.
I'm gonna
claiming
put
that.
your ID. It's still good. This say
I'm gonna put your ID in.
Yeah. Wait, did you make it so like the policy service things, like people who are not able to see YouTube links can not see that, right?
YouTube actually is approved for all policies.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, I still just do that to make sure. Still do the checks.
But I have policy service running. I have to set it up for the shop for this place still, because there's certain countries that aren't allowed to buy chips.
weird. Well, yeah.
Wait, day 1 special. 0% off.
Yo.
Yo, don't open the inventory
Yeah.
or the price shop.
Or the
They're
shop.
both broken.
Yeah, I found that out the hard way.
I just bought some tokens and it's just an error occurred because the product.
Yeah, because it's not the correct place ID.
Yo, get chips. Yo.
Hammer time, like the song.
Yo, the 99 Robux for 750 chips is popular, and
Oh.
the 799 for 8,000 is the best deal. I gotta do the best deal.
But you with the bad pinger failed this minute game.
I have to let's see. I need to figure out. Usernames this tested this game. I wanted to see what his 3090 did. And he said it was CPU peaking, so there's something running on the client. I'm pretty sure it's probably the lighting script or the camera script that is causing it to CPU peak before the GPU. I don't really know how to check that though, so I'd have to ask somebody who knows what they're doing.
Oh, I opened the shop.
Oh no!
Come
He's
on,
been
Blake.
lost.
Can you just fix the
Come
UI?
on, fix it right now. Come on, we'll rate
It's
it.
just an exit button.
I'll do
You
it
just have
tonight.
to exit
The
button.
exit button doesn't
Just
even
one
work.
single button. It's just one single button, and it doesn't work.
Don't open the shop. You can't close it. You have to. in
No,
order to get
I
rid of you have
changed
to
it
beat
to-
the game.
I changed the shop to a
3 seconds. No, I can't.
week-based format, and it worked for 1 week, and now there's a bug again.
Oh.
So,
I don't know how I got up here.
how'd you do that?
I have
How the hell?
no idea.
What the? Oh! 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 Bro, somebody's gotta make that a Ninja Warrior obstacle. That's like...
I mean, if you want to see the shop, go ahead. Well, no one's stopping you.
The shop doesn't work. I tried to make Twitter follower service, like the same thing with YouTube, but Twitter API is so garbage, oh my god. And then I posted a thing, I was like, I'm hiring someone to do this for me instead, and everybody was like, dude, I can't do that, like, Twitter API sucks.
I'm like, oh my god, why are you hiring me? I don't want to take the job.
Oh boy, this is on my mind. Oh boy.
Yo. I was for a little bit, then it got taken away, because I didn't do anything, which is fair.
Yeah, I'm gonna be stricter, with
mods. I'm hoping I can get, like I'm trying to find some people that'll take over a lot of responsibility for, community stuff, and then I know it's kind of tricky because it's like ethically I want to pay these guys, but like those kind of roles are also usually like volunteer things, so maybe I can get them like some sort of like Robux stipend or something. Oh, I forgot to ask that at RDC if there were any updates about depositing money into groups.
Oh yeah. I was paying attention to like, you know.
I could probably just DM the person that gave the talk about groups and be like, "Hey, can I ask a question?"
How was never mind.
Uh-oh. How did I get in this predicament? Oh, I'm sideways
I know Fly is like kind of broken right now.
Oh yeah, just a little bit. It's very fast.
I know, I think they updated something which resulted in it like losing its mind.
Ooh, photo zone, does this work?
Yeah.
Oh, you actually have to pay, hold up. Hold on.
What are you doing, Roblox?
Hold on.
Oh, toggle is E. Okay, that's better. Oh, I know what he's doing.
E is also the button you use to play the games.
Ah, that didn't work. Oh, ow. Oh, wait. No.
Nicely done, Roblox.
No. Wait, hang on. Wait, no, hang on.
Roblox, how'd you do that?
I told you
Hey guys.
to flip me.
Yeah, I just did that too.
This is how Moxie.
This isn't a Bloxy.
Oh, we tied, so it overrided on mine. Okay, please don't glitch! I think this might have a bug still that's like kind of annoying.
Oh, block the camera, Oh,
yeah, it's still buggy. It's not forcing my camera. I don't know why it's doing that.
Man, I wish I had that RDC, because I should make that RDC lanyard a t-shirt, so I look like what's RDC.
Oh, that was a good picture, everyone. I enjoyed that.
I don't know why. I mean, it's not a huge issue to have the camera not forced, but I had it all perfect, and it's the client thing isn't running.
Uh-oh. Okay, fine. I almost may have glitched into the grab, but it's fine.
Is RDC in America? Yeah, it is. I love the shadows. Like, the shadows look amazing.
Bro, RDC won.
Damn, I can't believe that they didn't host RDC in the middle of the Pacific Ocean so I could join.
I can't believe they didn't invite me to RDC.
I can't believe they didn't invite me to RDC.
Bro, I can't believe
you should have been
invite me
invited.
to voice chat.
Oh, I can lower the speed of no clip. Oh, that's nice. No, I don't want to enable it. Stop. Ah!
Alright, let's check out. I'm gonna check out this cruise game. I mean, concert game.
Oh yeah.
Because you know what's gonna happen, right?
It's like peaking. Oh, why is this
See if the
peaking at
stream
almost 1,000?
crashes. My computer's running
Like,
very well
optimization's
tonight,
important.
but it's like my room's not
Optimization.
hot tonight, so I think that's why
My computer's running so well. It's like winter now, so my room's cold.
Oh, I just flew outside the map. I see the other machines that are outside.
Oh yeah. I love doing that in Arcade Island too. I loved going down there and picking up just
Holy
a single thing.
smokes. There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I know. Look, it looks visually appealing, but oh my god. Is it just horribly optimized?
Who is their environmental designer? Because they killed it.
Oh yeah, no, they did really well, but they needed to optimize it better. Sopped.
Yeah, at least Melodev optimizes their games.
Yeah.
Well,
Probably
I
'cause
don't.
they put effort
I don't mean this in a
it.
rude way, but I don't think they add enough content so that they have to optimize it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Melodev.
This is weird because the cutscenes are playing and the game hasn't even loaded.
I love the grass.
I just see invisible grass.
But, I mean, this looks amazing. This is beautiful.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
but I do want to give them props. They did not use Arthro.
Now,
I'm going to
Roblox-
be- I'm
Is
happy about
Trailer
that.
used
Roblox
Arthro.
is working on,
Yeah, that's weird.
Roblox is working on. See, this is where I got the idea for the like thing in Arcade Island.
Oh,
Was,
I like those are neat.
See, it's nice because my game looks fine when I'm looking away from everything. Ah, it's bad again. Oh, why did it even put me in your server? This is so cringe.
This looks so good though.
God,
Is
I
it
can't
running
wait to
Shadow
play.
Map or is it running Future? I can't tell.
I think
it's
running
future.
Shadow.
Future's laggy. That's the only reason why I assume it's future.
Oh yeah.
Future's
fair.
laggy. Like future, no, like it's like Shadow Map and Shadow Map voxel capacity. They're okay. The more you turn on future, you lose a lot of frames.
Oh my god, I love how your shadow is laggy. In some points your shadow is just very laggy and it's really funny. Oh no, I have to try and find you with stream delay.
Roblox
found
said
you.
they
It's
were
on-
working on more streaming enabled stuff, which will help with humongous maps like this.
Yeah. Cause I'm really close to peaking at 1200 megabytes again.
And stream enabled's pretty cool.
I like what was just said in chat. I am going to drown my pet.
It's
I'm
not
going
very
to stream
nice.
The condenser on my phone. My phone's more faster than my PC.
Where did you? Oh, there you are.
Yo, is this
I don't
Funky
know what
Friday?
this is. Yo, is this Friday funkin' tonight?
Is this Shuffle Showdown? How do I play?
I'm winning. I literally don't know.
I want to see what the controls are on mobile.
I don't know if I
Oh,
can play.
I have
Oh, I
my
took your
pet.
pet! I took your
I
pet!
have my own pet.
Oh, I'm going to
We
do the
literally
adopt
just-
me.
We
I'm going
just
to do the epic
duplicate-
adopt me move.
we just duplicated my pet on accident. Oh no, he's
Oh.
back. Oh wait, no,
Can I not drop him? I don't think I can drop him over the bridge.
Losing frames.
No, they don't get it. Oh my god, they don't fall in the
losing
ocean.
frames on my phone.
What's up, Soham? Bro, I can't drop him over the ocean.
Give me your pet. He is mine now. I can't drop him because he's not my pet. Oh, there we go. I dropped him. Oh,
The
it's
art
so
style in this game
friendly
is
over here.
awesome, though.
Oh
There's a
yeah.
friend teleporter.
All are welcome here.
Oh,
Got
Vic,
huts you
what
can
is
claim.
this?
There's a lot to do.
Yeah. Much better than the last event that they gave us. It looks like actual work was put into this. That's crazy. Mine with pets? No. Oh god. Oh god, where is that sound coming from? What the hell?
There's an airplane?
What the hell is going on? My sound isn't on. Wait, it's so loud!
Where is this music coming from?
It's coming from the wasteland. My music is completely off.
Well, I have no volume either.
What? Well, they need to hopefully fix that. That was terrible.
Where's this music coming from? What the
I don't know, I
heck?
went far enough away.
What
I
the
left
heck?
the wasteland.
Does that come
I'm
from
glad I can't
here?
see- Yeah, it did. If
Are
you
you
go
sure?
up into the... it disappeared
My
when I
sound was
ran.
on mute.
And so was mine.
I wonder.
thought it was going through
Oh,
extreme,
I wonder
but
if it was
no.
something with video frames.
Oh,
Could be.
yeah.
There might be a bug there.
Yeah, possibly.
Anyways, this looks
Oh,
beautiful.
that loud music is over.
Because the map's so big, I can't find where you guys are at.
We're in the wasteland right now, like the opposite side of the map and
The-
going to kinetic
I
The
have no
field.
clue where
variety
it
of this
is.
stuff looks really nice.
Yeah. Ooh, I like the owl.
Is there a way for me to play? This,
Man, it said that there's mini games.
I-
Shuffle show that.
this
What
looks
is
like it should
this?
be playable, but I don't.
I don't see a way to play. Like, well, yeah, no, because there's definitely music here. Because because that
It's on the wasteland.
there's scores.
Scoreboard.
Yeah, but how do we play
How
the
do I
game?
play it?
I want to play the game. I'm so confused. What are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
Where's
What?
the global leaderboard?
Wait, if you grab your wait, grab your scooter and go up to the front. Just like go to the front of the stage and just jump. You'll get stuck on it. Well, not stuck, but you'll just get like caught up here.
Bro, there's a merch store! Click on the merch!
Do they have a merch store?
Merch store,
Yo,
the map and the NPCs are 6. Or not R6, I don't know. They're not Arthro.
I do appreciate that. God, where are we going? Where are we going?
Whoa!
Huh, well, I'm stuck up here now. No, you're
Wait.
leaving me. Come
Where's the
back.
merch?
Okay,
No,
I'm
come
at the
back.
merch store. I'm buying the Connect Nest. I have no clue what it does.
Oh, frames. Frames. Frames.
Buy 25k candy. Okay, so the UI is really
Shuffle
horrible on
Showdown.
phone. Like the UI, the buttons are too big. Like the back to the shop button, no clips with the I don't know, clips with the buttons on phone. They didn't like test the UI out.
This art is so cool.
Like, do we need candy to play or something? I am so lost.
I don't know, but my dude is doing the.
I just bought.
I don't know. I don't know what this dance is.
I don't either, Hank. That's a good question. I don't know what it is either.
Oh, hey, there's loot boxes. There's gambling.
You know, there's loot boxes. I can
There's loot
gamble.
boxes.
Wait, play trap. What does this do? What?
Can
What
you
it-
trade?
what does this
Can you
do?
trade this? Cause I have pets. I wonder if you can trade.
Oh, it's so laggy. That is so laggy. Stop the track. Okay, so that's just the radio. That doesn't do anything.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the stream, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
We're moving service just in time. Just in
Yo!
time. Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
They're using soft shutdown module.
They're using
Yo!
the Merly one. They probably did the UI fixing or something like that. Well, I wonder if there's trading. Yeah. I want to trade people and totally not scam
You want to
them.
gamble, get the best thing, and then trade it to people.
I want
Alright
to
guys,
loot box and then
thanks for
trade
coming
people.
in. I'm gonna code for a while by myself tonight. Peace out everybody. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh, what the?